In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Google Calendar. This is a fantastic way to streamline your organization and have all your schedules and data in sync across these powerful Google tools. So, whether you're managing team schedules or keeping track of personal commitments, integrating Google Sheets with Google Calendar can make your life a whole lot easier. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open Google Sheets. Simply navigate to the Google Sheets website in your preferred browser and either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. Once you have your document ready, the next step is to look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions. This is where you'll manage any additional tools and features you want to add to your sheets. After clicking on Extensions, you'll see an option called Get Add-ons. Clicking on this will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is like an app store for Google Sheets. In the search bar within this marketplace, you'll want to type in Calendar to Sheets. This tool is what will allow you to connect your Google Calendar with your Sheets. When you find Calendar to Sheets, you can click Install. At this point, Google may ask you to choose an account and sign in if you're not already. Make sure you sign in with the Google account that has access to the calendar you want to import. Once signed in, you'll need to give the add-on permission to access your Google account data. You can do this by clicking Allow, which will enable the integration to function smoothly. Now that the add-on is installed, return to your Google Sheet. Once again, click on Extensions in the top menu, but this time, hover over Add-ons, and then click View Document Add-ons. This will display all the add-ons you have for this document. Locate Calendar to Sheets and click Use. This initiates the connection process. You'll be prompted to select the calendar you want to import. If you have multiple calendars, make sure you select the one you need for your current project or purpose. Finally, once you've chosen the calendar, click Import. After following these steps, your Google Calendar events should now be imported into your Google Sheets. This allows you to view, sort, and analyze your events right within your spreadsheet. It's a great way to keep everything organized in one place, making it easier to manage your time and responsibilities. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully connected Google Sheets to your Google Calendar to create a seamless and integrated workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.